Can you see this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Whoa, very fluffy. Can you see? Very fluffy. Stay with me whilst we make this simple vanilla cake. So in a bowl, we will be adding butter. Here is, I'm using a salted butter, but then if you have the unsalted butter, it is fine to use. Then add your sugar. All the measurements will be listed in the description below. So we are going to mix this together perfectly. It will take some time to achieve this, but you have to make sure you do it. When it appears like this or forms this way, then you add 2 eggs, and again you are going to mix it together. So you can see that this needs a lot of mixing. That means you have to get a small hand mixer, or if you have the mixer bowl, you could use that in mixing these ingredients. This brings about the consistency in the mixing and also makes it come out well. After mixing it, you add your oil and then add milk. Since it's a vanilla cake, don't forget to top up with some vanilla essence. And then you are going to mix it again. Make sure that they are thoroughly mixed together. After mixing for a while, we are then going to add our dry ingredients. So we are going to add the flour. I used an all-purpose flour. Add the baking powder, and then we are going to add salt. So we receive this into the wet ingredients that we have already mixed, and then we are going to also mix it together. It's already looking good. We are going to transfer this into a baking pan. I placed a baking sheet in it before transferring it so that it becomes so easy for me to remove. When you do this, you are then going to make sure that the bubbles in them are all filled. So you make sure you shake it very well. We are going to bake this in the oven for 190 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. If you have watched up to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to turn on the notification button. Just look at this. Look at the outcome. Just look at this. You have to try this and give me an honest review. It is very important to me. Look at how it came out, looking fluffy. You will love it. Just try it and let me know. Until then, keep following me for more content that will enhance your taste buds.